Hey guys, what's up? Topic of this video is construction of triangles and circles. In this, we are given with the data, means the side length of a triangle and angles of a triangle, and here we are given with the radius or diameter of a circle. So by using the data we have to construct triangles and circles. So let's see how to construct triangles and circles with the given data. So let's start constructing triangles and circles. In the first question, here we have to construct a triangle if all the sides are given to us. You can see here we have AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 1.4 centimeter, and CA is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, so here you can see that they are in centimeters. It means that their length is given to us. The length of sides are given to us, and we have to construct a triangle with the help of the given sides. For this, we will use a ruler, okay, and a pair of compasses. This is a pair of compasses we have. In this, what we will do, we will open it up, okay, and we will insert a pen or anything here, and we will tight it. Okay, just like this one. Okay, and with the help of this pair of compasses, what we will do, we will measure the length just like that. If the length is starting from here, let's say that if we have to measure a length of 5 centimeters, so we will put this side here with 0, and we will open the other side of this pair of compasses up to 5 centimeter, which is this one we have. Okay, sorry, here we have this one, and here we have this one. Okay, 5 centimeter. So now this length is actually of 5 centimeters we have. So with this we can measure the length. So let's see how we can draw a triangle with 3 given sides. First of all, we have to choose a length, right? We usually choose the length which is of the greatest one. Okay, here we usually choose the length which is the greatest one, which is the largest one. Here we have 6 centimeter, so we will choose 6 centimeter as a base. It means that first of all, what we will do, we will draw a line of 6 centimeters. Here we have 0 and here we have 6, so we will start from here. Okay, we will start from here and we will draw a line of 6 centimeters here. Alright, so here we have drawn a length of 6 centimeters, or we can say a side of 6 centimeters. Now we have to name this side. Here we have CA. It means that it is CA, or we can say AC is equal to 6 centimeters. Alright, now we have to take the other lengths here. First of all, if I take this one, BC, okay, it's your choice, you can take any of the length. Here we have BC of let's take this AB first, because I have already opened this length of 5 centimeters by just here, by putting it with the 0 line, and here with the 5 centimeter. Okay, clear? Just by that. Okay, so I have opened it. We have to open it first, okay, according to the length given to us. Here we have AB. It means that here we have AB. It means that we will put this side, okay, this side of this pair of compasses on this point A, okay, just like this one. All right, why we are putting it on A and why we are not putting it on C? Because here, यार हैदर ना हिलाओ बार बार, बीच में बोल दिया। हाँ बोल दिया। इशारा कर देते हैं। आप किताब मुंह पे रखे हुए थे, मैं कैसे इशारा करता? आप कुछ चीज माउस के हल्की सी टैप कर देती। ना हिलाओ। We are given with side A, B. It means that here we have A, and the point, or we can say here we will draw an arc which is actually our point B. Okay, here we have A, B. It means that we will put this point on A, and we will draw an arc of it, okay, just like that. And here our point B will lie on this arc, and at what point our point B will lie on this arc? Now for this, what we will do, here we have BC of 1.4 centimeters. It means that here we have C and here we have C, so this time we will put this part of our compasses here on C, and we have to open a length of 1.4 centimeters. So let me short it. Here we have to open an angle of, a length of 1.4 centimeters here. Okay, I have opened a length of 1.4 centimeters. So now I will put this point on C, okay, on C, just like that. Okay, and now I will draw another arc of it. Okay, now I have drawn the arc. Now actually this is the point B we have, where these two arcs intersect. This will be our point B. Okay, and now what we will do, we will join this point to point A and point C. Just watch, like this. Okay, and like this. Okay, now we will write its length. Here we have BC 1.4 centimeters, and here we have AB 5 centimeters. Clear? So that's how we can draw an angle if we are given with 3 sides. Now we will discuss how to construct a triangle if we are given with 2 sides and 1 angle. Okay, 2 sides and 1 angle. So to measure sides we have a ruler, and to measure angles we need a protractor. So with the help of this protractor we can measure the angles. Alright, so let's see how we can construct a triangle if we are given with two sides and one angle. Let's see. First part is similar to the other one. We have to choose a side first. We usually choose the side which is of the greatest length. Here we have 7 centimeters, so I choose 7 centimeters and I will draw a side of 7 centimeters. Here we have 7, here we have 0, so it is of 7 centimeters. Clear? Now we have to mark it. It is AB of 7 centimeters, or we can write here B and here A. Okay, it's our choice at first. And now we have this BC 5 centimeter and an angle of CAB. It means that here we have the angle on the central variable. Here actually 72 angle is the angle with the point A. It means that we have a 72 angle here on A. Okay, so first of all we will draw this angle. Alright, so the work will be easier for us. Let's see. So we will put this center of the protractor on this point. Okay, just like this one, and we have to put this 0 line on this baseline. Just like this one, and here we have a baseline. Like this one. Clear? Now we will draw an angle of 72 degrees here. Here we have 0. We will start counting from this 0 because here this one is our baseline. Okay, so we will use this 0. Here we have 70 and 72 degrees. It means 2 degrees more than 70. So here we have a 70 degrees. So here we have 71 and 72. So I will draw a mark here. Okay, and now we will join these 2 points. Just like this one, so that this angle will be of 72 degrees. Clear? Now we will draw this side. For this we will use pair of compasses, and we have to open it to 5 centimeters. Just pointing 0 here and 5 here. Okay, so we have 5 centimeters. Yes, now this is accurate we have. Okay, clear? So here we have BC. Okay, it means that we will put this point here this point of the compass on B, okay, and our point C will lie somewhere on this one. Clear? Now let's see. Here we have point B, and we will draw an arc just like this one, okay, and we can see that here our line is not touching with this arc, so here in this case our triangle cannot be constructed, okay. And if we want to construct a triangle, if you are given two sides and angle, so our this length should be greater, or we can say our angle should be smaller, okay. So we can only construct a triangle if we are given with correct sides and correct angles, okay. So if we want to construct a triangle, we can take here we have an angle of 35 degrees, okay. Now if we have 35 degrees on A, we can construct a triangle. How? Let's see. Here we have put it on here, okay. Now we have to construct an angle of 35 degrees. Here we have 30, here we have 35, this one, okay. Now we have to join these points here just like that, okay. Now this is our intersection point, okay. So now if we have an intersection point, in this case our triangle is possible. So we have to join these points just like that, okay. Now here we have our point C, our vertex C, okay, and it is of 5 centimeter, and here we have an angle of 35 degrees just like that. All right, so here that's how we can construct a triangle if we are given with two sides and one angle. Clear? Now we will see if we are given with only one side and two angles. All right, let's see. Now we will draw an angle, sorry, a triangle if we are given with one side and two angles. All right, so let's see. First of all, we will do the same thing. We will draw a line first, is one side. All right, so let's draw it. We have to draw a side of 4.5 centimeters. So here I have to open it of 4.5 centimeters, so this point with 0, and here we have to open it with 4.5 centimeters. Yes, this is of 4.5 centimeters. All right, so actually I can draw this one like that, okay. I can also draw a line with the help of this compass by drawing this one, okay, this arc, okay, this arc. Here we have to make a point, and by putting this one here and here, okay. So now here I have taken a point, this one, and here I have taken the point which is this one, okay. So I can join these two points just like this one. So here we can get a side of 4.5 centimeters with the help of this pair of compasses. So now this is our point, this is our point, which is AB of 4.5 centimeters. Now we have to make an angle of 50 degrees. We will use this one. Here we have 50 degrees with angle with point A. Okay, it means that we have to make 50 degrees on this point by just putting it here and zero line on this baseline. Alright, just like that. Alright, now an angle of 50 degrees. We will start counting from this zero because this is our baseline. Here we have 50 degrees. This one is our 50 degrees. So we will draw a line from here to there. Alright, and now we have to make an angle of 45 on B point. Here we have our point B. We will put this one here and this line here, and now we will start counting from this zero because now this is our baseline. So this zero we have to make 45 degrees. Here we have 40, here we have 45 degrees, this one. So this is an angle of 45 we have. This was angle of 50 and this is our angle of 45 degrees, and this one is the point C we have. Alright, clear? So that's how we can construct a triangle if you are given with only one side and two angles. Now we will see some circles. Okay, we will draw a circle if diameter is given to us. Okay, we can draw a circle with the help of a radius. If we are given with diameter, we can divide the diameter by 2 so that we can get our radius, and with the help of radius we can draw a we can draw a circle. So if I divide this 7 centimeter, this diameter, by 2, I will get the radius. Okay, so our radius will be 7 divided by 2 will be equal to 3.5 centimeters. This is our radius. Alright, so with the help of this radius we can draw the circle. So let's see how we can draw a circle. Now here we have radius of 3.5 centimeters. So we have to first open this pair of compasses up to 3.5 centimeters. Here we have 3.5 centimeters. It is the radius. What is radius? Radius is the distance from center of a circle to the circumference. Okay, and diameter is actually the length of a circumference to the other point of the circumference by passing through the center of a circle. So now we have radius. So what we will do, here we will take this point and drop it here, and now we will draw a circle by rotating this pair of compasses. Alright, by just rotating it. Okay, so and this point should be constant. Okay, clear? Now if I rotate it more, it is just like that. Clear? So that's how we can draw a circle of radius 3.5, and the point where we have put this point, this needle was that point. Okay, and now we have to draw this length here, which will show that this is our radius r, okay, which is of 3.5 centimeters. Okay, that's how we can draw a circle. And now in our next part we have to draw a chord. What is a chord? A chord is a distance from one point to the other point, but this time it is not passing with the center. And if we take the distance, if we draw a line from one point to the other point, and if it is passing from the center, then this one is the diameter, and if it is not passing with the center, it is a chord. So we have to draw a chord and with any length. So here I have drawn a chord. Here from it I have drawn a line from one point of the circumference to the other point of the circumference, and it is not passing from this center O. Now we have drawn a chord. Okay, and in the third part we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of that chord. What is a perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular bisector is a line which will cut this chord into two equal parts, and it should be perpendicular to this chord also. Alright, it means that the line which is cutting this chord into two equal parts, it will be perpendicular to this chord. It means that the line will make an angle of 90 degrees according to this chord. So let's see how we can draw a perpendicular bisector. For this we need a pair of compasses, and we have to open it more than the half of the distance. Okay, more than the half of the distance. Now what we will do, we will drop this needle here on this point, and we will draw an arc here and here also. Alright, and again we will draw an arc, but this time we will drop needle here on this point, and we will draw an arc again upside here and down here. Okay, and here you have to make sure that the compass's size will not change. It means that you have to maintain the distance between 2 points of the pair of compasses. It means you don't have to change the distance between the two legs of the compasses. It should remain same. If the distance is changed between two legs of the compasses, then we are not able to find the perpendicular bisector of this. Now you can see here we have two more points. First one is this point, and the second one is this point. Now if we join these 2 points just like that, so this is the perpendicular bisector of this chord. It means that it is parallel, this line is parallel to this chord. It means that here we have a 90 degree, and it is cutting this chord into 2 equal parts. Okay, and you can see this by calculating it, by measuring it. Here we have a length of almost 3.5 centimeters, almost 3.5 centimeters, and here we have a length of almost 3.5 centimeters. Okay, actually it is more closer to 3.4 centimeters. Okay, and here also, so it is same. And now if we check the angle, whether it is an angle of 90 degree or not, so let's see. If we take this angle, yes, so you can see that here we have an angle of 90 degree, this one. Okay, you can see this one is our line here, this one is our line, and okay, this one is our line, and you can see here we have an angle of 90 degrees, exact angle of 90 degrees. So this is the perpendicular bisector of a chord we have done here. Alright, so that's it for this video.
Access the entire Mathematics Demystified course at learneasy.us.